for today's video, I'm doing another makeup tutorial. This is inspired by sunflower. So if you wanna know how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime and conceal my eyelid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Balm Matte Palette. This is the original one. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my eyelid to set the eyeshadow base so it doesn't go throughout the day. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that, with the same palette, I'm taking this shade and just put it on my crease again as my transition color again, just build up on the crease. Okay, then after that, I'm taking Urban Decay Vice Reloaded palette and I'm taking this yellow shade and just put it on the outer third and inner third of my lid. So yeah, I left the center part of my lid. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on the center of my lid. Okay, back to this palette, I'm taking this shade and just darkening up the crease and the outer corner. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my gel liner and just make wing eyeliner like always. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop ID Vinyl in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Okay, then after that, I just curl my lashes. And then after that, I'm just taking my mascara and just put it on my upper lashes. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm just taking my primer and just put it all over my face, mainly to the center of my face. Okay, now for the foundation, I'm taking the Body Shop Moisture Foundation in the shade number 5 and I'm just putting it all over my face using buffing brush by Real Technique to apply this foundation. Oh, by the way, it has SPF 15 if you wanna know. Okay, then after that, I'm taking my concealer and I'm using it for concealing and highlighting as well. I'm just putting it on the center of my nose, I put it under my eye and I put it on my forehead and I put it on my chin and just blending it all out. Okay, then after that, I'm just taking my powder and just set the concealer. I don't set the foundation, I'm just setting the concealer because I don't like it. Okay, then after that, I'm taking e.l.f. blush and bronzing powder in the shade Antigua. I'm taking the bronzer side and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour with this because it's a little bit warm. Okay, then after that, I'm taking matte bronzer and just contour my face. Okay, then after that, I'm taking the Body Shop Baked Blush in the shade Coral and just put it on the apple of my cheek to bring some color to my cheek. Okay, now for the highlighter, I'm taking the Body Shop Shimmer Waves in the shade Blush and just highlighting my face. Okay, now back into the eyes, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this shade and just put it on the lower lash line as well, just blending it with the previous shade. Okay, then after that, I'm taking this green shade and just put it on the lower lash line with the more precise brush. Okay, then after that I'm taking the same eyeliner and just putting it on my waterline. Okay, then after that I'm taking the same mascara and just putting it on my lower lashes. Okay, then after that I'm taking this yellow shade again and just putting it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, then after that I'm taking this shade and just putting it on my inner corner, just blending it with the yellow shade. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm just taking my lip tint and just put it all over my lips, and that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you in the next video.